In this video, we're going to talk about 2.2, Objective 2, reduce fractions to lowest terms. It's a lot like what we just did in Objective 1, but instead of trying to make the fractions bigger by multiplying by the same thing top and bottom, we're trying to make them smaller by dividing by the same thing top and bottom, or by multiplying by a number top and bottom that's less than 1. So let's think of factoring. That's the easiest way to see the common factors cancel out, that this numerator is 3 times 1, and the denominator is 3 times 4, and the common factor of 3 cancels, and we can write this as 1/4. That's the same thing as multiplying by 1/3 in the top and bottom, or dividing by 3 in the top and bottom, but our fraction in lowest terms is going to be 1/4 since there's no more common factors to take out. If you don't get the biggest common factor right away in the first step, that's okay. You can take a couple of steps. For instance, this one, we could see that they're both even numbers, meaning that they're both divisible by 2. And so I could say 40 divided by 2 is 20, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. And they're still both even numbers, so I can keep going. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Let's keep going. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And I stop because 5 and 9 no longer have any common factors. So really this was divisible by 8 top and bottom here. That's why I could divide by 2 3 times. 2 to the third power is 8. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. 72 divided by 8 is 9. But it's okay that we didn't divide by 8 to start off with. We still got to the same answer. Now let's try and look for the biggest factor of 24 that's also a factor of 32. I think it's 8. I think that this is 3 times 8. And I think that this is 4 times 8. And that this is 3/4. Make sure that that looks like a 4 to you and not a 7. 24 and 32, I mean, that's the same one again. These just get randomly chosen, so sometimes we get the same problem again, but that's 3/4 again. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 42 and 54. That's kind of hard to see right away, so let's just divide by 2, and that's 21. And then 27, and both are divisible by 3. 3 goes into 21 7 times, and 3 goes into 27 9 times. So that was 6 times 7 is 42, and 6 times 9 is 54. We got to the answer of 7/9 there. Both of these are divisible by 7. This is 4 times 7 and 5 times 7. The 7s will cancel and leave us with 4/5. And that's it. So we'll come back and we will talk about Objective 3 next time. See you for the next video.